On Saturday, US Central Command forces carried out strikes on a Houthi anti-ship missile intended for launch into the Gulf of Aden, as reported by the US military. This operation came in the wake of a series of earlier strikes where the United States targeted 3 additional Houthi anti-ship missiles. The US Central Command stated US forces identified the missile as a threat to merchant vessels and US Navy ships in the region, leading to the decision to strike and neutralize the missile in self-defense. The incident, the latest amid growing tensions, took place around 0400 Yemen time, the US Central Command added. Late on Friday, US Central Command forces executed strikes on 3 Houthi anti-ship missiles targeting the southern Red Sea. These preemptive actions were taken in response to ongoing threats posed by the Iran-aligned Houthi militia, whose recent attacks on ships in and around the Red Sea have disrupted trade between Asia and Europe. The heightened tensions have raised concerns among major powers, marking an escalation in the border conflict in Gaza. The Houthi militia, asserting control over most of Yemen, justifies their attacks as acts of solidarity with Palestinians facing Israeli aggression in Gaza. President Joe Biden stated on Thursday that airstrikes would persist, acknowledging that they might not completely halt Houthi attacks. The ongoing confrontation poses a risk of expanding the conflict beyond Gaza, where more than 24,000 people, over 1% of the population, have reportedly been killed in Israel's assault, according to the local health ministry. The Israeli offensive was initiated in response to October 7 attacks by the Palestinian Islamist group, which Israeli officials claim resulted in the deaths of 1,200 people. The recent strikes on Saturday marked the 5th in the past week by the US against Houthi missile launchers preparing for attacks. On Thursday, the Houthis launched 2 anti-ship ballistic missiles at a US-owned tanker ship, hitting the water near the vessel but causing no injuries or damage, as reported by the US military.